Hello everyone, and welcome to my fashion and beauty tips channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. When nothing to wear strikes again, your denim jacket's got your back. It never fails to pull a look together. If your denim jacket has been sitting on the sidelines, it's time to bring it into the spotlight. This style chameleon pairs just as effortlessly with a 6-yard stunner as it does with slinky dresses and off-duty staples. Whether you're chasing contrast or layering like a pro, these outfit ideas prove your denim jacket deserves way more airtime than just with jeans. 1. Denim Jacket x Sarees. Add a touch of rebellion to tradition. Throw a cropped denim jacket over your Sarees, be it chiffon, cotton, or silk, for an effortless fusion look that's both edgy and elegant. This is the ultimate mix of timeless and cool. Add boots or sneakers, and it's a whole vibe. 2. Denim Jacket x Summer Dress. That easy breezy sundress just found its forever plus one. A light wash denim jacket brings shape without sacrificing the sundress's laid-back, summertime spirit. Sling it in style over your shoulders for brunch, errands, or whatever else the day brings. 3. Denim Jacket x Black Bodycon. Transform your LBD from uninspired to power move. A denim jacket adds the right amount of I didn't care vibe, while still conveying the message as you clearly understood the assignment. 4. Denim Jacket x Maxi Dress. Go for the drape of a maxi, floral, tiered or basic, paired with a fitted denim jacket. Shape, coverage, and a little bit of structure to balance all that flow. It is a super simple way to dress down the drama. 5. Denim Jacket x Skirt and Tee. Sometimes all you need is the trinity, a cute tee, a cute mini or midi skirt, and that well-worn denim layer. It gives effortless, it gives model off-duty, and we're here for it. So what do you guys think about this update? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like my videos, please press like and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time.